The EPSON SureColor F3070 direct-to-garment printer features dual PrecisionCore printheads. As the manufacturer of the printheads, EPSON has introduced advanced reliability features including nozzle verification and compensation, along with nozzle redundancy to maximize printer uptime. Should there be an issue, EPSON is there to support you with several different service coverage plans to meet your individual needs. Now featuring a discounted plan option that enables users to replace a printhead in the unlikely event that one would need to be replaced. No tools are required, and the printhead can be replaced in a matter of a few moments. Let's take a look. EPSON makes it easy to monitor your fleet of printers with EPSON Cloud Solution Port. This cloud service is included with the purchase of a printer and helps production managers to track production rates, equipment utilization, and even equipment status and supplies levels. In addition, this service enables the equipment to self-diagnose and assist our service team to help resolve issues quickly. To learn more about the SureColor F3070, please speak with an authorized EPSON SureColor F3070 reseller or visit us online at epson.com/F3070.